Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I don't know how this happened.
Uh-oh.
It happened last night.
That's weird. Nothing punctured on it.
Exactly, and the box don't move.
It looks good though. Oh, the box is mounted down?
Yeah, the box is mounted here and then wedged here. So the box ain't going, it don't slide.
That looks good though. But
so,
yeah, it won't do anything to it. It just looks weird. Some people usually get a little suction cup and pull it right out. Or get a heater just to get a little warm and it'll come right out.
Okay. Yeah. So the box is built by Mark the Box Dude out of Ocala, Florida. He's on Instagram. It is right under 6 cubic feet. 45 pressure wedges on the inside. Double baffle. Yep. These are American Bass Elite 12s.
Okay.
The box was built at a 27 to 28 hertz tune. It peaks at 143. Okay. Peaks at 143 at 26 hertz.
All right, we'll get inside too here. Oh.
eBay 200 amp volt.
It works. All right.
Big 4, 70 amp hour, and then a 170 amp hour in the trunk.
All right.
Side of that rock fill. The rock fill's just on the back.
So you got an amp flip over the other way on the other side. Okay.
Yeah, there's an amp on the back side of the rock fill.
Nice.
That's my bass. Got it.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Let's do it. Do you have any extra batteries?
There's a 170 amp hour gel in the
That's
trunk.
right, just the one. Yep.
Yeah. So with the let's cool it down a little bit in here. But the Rockville is just on the front speakers. I originally started this as a real budget build with some Scar SDRs and a what's it called, in a prefab box.
Yeah.
So I ended up having that as my highs and mids amp on the 4 channels, and then another Rockville for the subs.
Yes, sir.
But then I ended up upgrading because I got
custom box.
Yeah, custom box, and then I'm about to have a stunt wall and a stunt deck built.
Okay.
That's coming next.
Sweet.
So I'm waiting on a little bit of money. Actually, I'm just waiting on the check.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
So,
looks good.
For what's in here.
Yeah, man.
For what's in here, I'm actually doing pretty good.
Okay.
Just run you a little bit of.
Did you ever get it to see what your peak frequency is, SPL or anything?
I metered on a SPL lab meter, 143.4 on the floor at 26 hertz.
Okay. Oh, so peak and low.
Yeah, because the box is built low.
It's built low.
I've been wanting to meet you for the longest.
Yes, sir.
And I set myself out today. I said, I'm going to run into Jacob. I'm going to run into Jacob and we'll get him in my car.
Yes, sir. We got it. Yes,
awesome,
sir, man.
Jake. Pleasure, man.
You
Thank
too.
you so much.
Thanks for watching. You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
Pretty good, man. And you said you're working on a stunt wall next, too?
Yeah, it's going to be 4 8s, 4 6.5s, and 4 horns.
Okay.
It's going to be surrounded, the back seat's coming out.
Yep.
It's going to be flush with the side bolsters, and it's going to come around like this.
Okay, got it. Yep.
I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do the horns because of the depth of the horns themselves.
Oh, might be too
I
deep.
might have to do the horns down low. So it might be the 4 horns down low, then maybe the 4 8s across the top, and then the 4 6s in between.
Awesome. Yes, sir.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of his system at the Slamfest Audio Show in Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I like that he has subs back with the port back. A lot of people normally would have subs up, port back, or have subs forward, port forward, or subs forward, port sideways. This is pretty standard for a lot of trunk systems for daily drivers. Quick commentary question is, where do you put your subwoofer and port in the trunk? Majority of the systems I see, I mentioned already, there's like 4 or 5 different options. Looking forward to y'all's suggestions and comments on that. And notice the staging of his speakers and tweeters. I could literally hear all the lyrics on this 3-song demo you're going to hear. And I wish I would have got a little closer look on where the bass amplifier was, but I know it was a work in progress. He made it to the show. A total of 3,000 watts is on these subs, playing in the 20s, so really low frequency. Got some good trunk flex you'll see by the end of the video as well with the 3-song demo. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy this demo.
So let's run you this is one of my
I'm ready.
better songs here.
I'd love to hear it.
Yo, it's my time to shine and I'm the shine bright. Terrorize the mic, get the crowd hype, make them wanna fight. I'm like I'm struck, like I'm done. The party like somebody got a buck, brother. I lays it down flat like a doormat. Every state, wherever I pour that. My spit guilty, brother, I'm undisputed. Got me taking trips off the Cadillac. Slipping on quad, triple wild chicks in the Montreal. Back in the bar, fuck the grab an RVR. Be the illest of my fashion. The hell will people think? Watch a brother turn platinum. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Yeah, people wanna get down, yeah, suckers wanna battle. Hey, what you wanna do?
Digga, digga, first name Rashia. It's perfect, had no idea. Just like that, heard it like 3 times. The niggas been dark, stacking wrong by the eon. Situation, round the way with my women. Looking 50 with the Fendi type linen. Purple, we got papers like staples. All the labels, didn't think I could take confrontation. Now rappers wanna run up, try to flex muscle on the shorty, try to come up. Rhymes hotter than concrete statues. Roll them all out like they pearl police. Boy, I got lyrics for the brain. Like it in a new head, funky by my nickname. The ego quick, be that chick. More people be around to see that.
Young people wanna get down, young suckers wanna battle. Hey, what y'all wanna do? Young people wanna get down, young suckers wanna battle. Hey, what y'all wanna do? Young people wanna get down.
One more so you can hear a little bit of the higher.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, making panties drip and panels rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustico's.
Jello Beats.
When I made it rich, I went and bought a Billy bitch. But it just I feel like give me that and give me this. Bitch, I went and crash it, don't fix to hit that shit. You ain't got to tell me, I know niggas envious. Turn the cash with my little bitch, bounce her hands. Cause 150, that's your stash. This shit on Instagram, that's your pass. We got you out of traffic, just don't crash. I got a bag, I'm doing the most. Niggas is lame, I am the GOAT. They wanna gas, I'm giving them smoke. Jump on the jet, get on the boat. I'm in the yacht, I'm on the dock. Give me dope, oh shit. One drink, I get ghost. Pull up and know who the fuck was that? Who's the dopest supermodel? Who's the best? I eat with my pistol hard, I give her back. And you better send my bitch back with her back.
Definitely lower frequency.
Yeah.
Mid to high 20s and low 30s does really good.
This one right here drops down a little bit lower. This one hits 24 right here.
What you want? What you want? What you want? You said that you don't come for you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate you watching.
Yo, I've been wanting to meet you for the longest.
Yes, sir.
And I set myself out today. I says I'm gonna run into Jacob.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna run into Jacob and we'll get him in my car.
Yes, sir. We got it. Yes,
Awesome,
sir, man.
Jake. Pleasure, man.
You
Thank
too.
you so much.
Thanks for
bro.
watching. You're welcome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.